Okay, Florida Explorer, the lovely research assistant and travel partner. We're in a unnamed cemetery in Macintosh off of 441. We have Civil War veterans. We have Korean and World War II veterans. Old homesteaders. There's a Vietnam War vet here as well. Just another one of the many very cool places that we find on our travels. There's a little baby one. That's never pleasant to see. These are all little baby ones. The Kennedys, so yeah, you're right. These are all Kennedys, and they're all babies too, children. That one's 7 years old, and that's tragic. Hetty. Hetty and Albert. Bertie. Hetty and Bertie. Over here we have Confederate hero. Company E, 6th South Carolina Cavalry. Captain. Did his duty as he saw fit to his country. Just like every other vet. So that's it. 441 Macintosh, north of downtown Macintosh. No idea what this is in terms of naming it. It's no church around or anything. Just a burial ground in the middle of some incredible trees.